Alright, we got a new job here for Bremcorp. Yeah, he's back in action. This is for the Brem farm. TW5, front axle. Needs a bushing. You can see in there that's wore out on one side, worn on this side. So we got to make a bushing to press in there to put a sleeve in there, I guess. So we got it set up here. It was pretty hard to set up because it's a pretty ugly piece. But we got it within 5 thousandths when we run our test indicator up and down in a hole in 2 different directions. Over here, over here, and over here. So we'll put the boring head on there and see what we can do with it. Okay, so that's when less than 2 thousandths, maybe 2 thousandths out of whack. That's going to be good enough, that direction. And over this direction, yeah, even less than that direction. So that should be good enough for a worn out tractor front end, I would think. So we're going to go with that. Here we use coaxial indicator and new bushing to get the part centered up best we can in the hole, so we don't get that out too far off center. It's pretty hard because it's wore out to get a good accurate centering. Here you go. Let's show you what it's really like. We push this bushing into this bracket with our fingers. And now that we got it set up in the milling machine, where we got it set up pretty much centered, and we got it plumb or parallel or whatever lined up with the axis of the up and down of the mill, now we got to get in here and pry and bang and fiddle fart around trying to get this bushing out of here. It's not easy being me. Okay, we're going to let him get this bushing out. All we're going to learn here is more swear words. Okay, now we're getting something done here.
project's all done here. Press that in on the press. I think we had like 3 thousandths press fit. Hopefully that'll stay in there. It seemed to press hard when I was pumping the jack, so see what happens. And then there's a thrust wash reset, and then there's a bushing for size, I guess. I guess we could put that in once they wear that out. I don't know.